Well, hello. This is our first video. We have a few interested people here. This is actually going to be a quick video just to figure out how to try to get stuff posted a little bit. I'll show you some of our animals that we have here. We have a little bit of everything. Hey, what are you doing? What are you doing, huh? As you can see, we've got cows, we've got goats, we've got sheep, we've got pigs, we've got bees out back, and here is our fearless border collie, and he or she thinks that she is supposed to herd chickens. So we call her the chicken dog. What do you think? I'm going to sit this down while I open the gate. What do you think? What do you think? Here's some of the chickens. I will say that this chicken coop here was burnt down about 3 months ago, and we had to start from scratch and build a new one. There was a fire come in the irrigation ditch. There's a bunch of the chickens and our chicken herding dog. And who we got over here? Oh, I think we got two little faces right there. What are you two doing, huh? What are you doing? What are you doing, huh? Over there getting him some grub. So anyhow, we're going to try to post this and then see where we go from here. Thanks for stopping in this time, and we promise we'll listen to your suggestions, and if we got something to suggest in this world we live in, we'll give our suggestions. Hey, who knows? Maybe we'll make it a better life. At least we'll have something to eat, right? Okay, so that's it for now. And hopefully we'll post another video by tomorrow if this one gets working.